Hello friends, welcome back to the my name video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys how to disable vibrate for call setting in our phone. Friends, you want to disable guys your phone vibrate for call setting. So then how can you disable it? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, now let's see how can we disable vibrate for call setting. First of all guys, we will on our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll it. Friends, click on guys your phone sound and vibration setting guys, tap here. Then guys again scroll it. Friends, you can see guys your phone vibrate setting. Friends, you can see vibrate for call setting guys. We will disable from this right side this blue icon. Then guys your phone will this vibrate for call setting will disable, means guys we cannot use guys this vibrate for call setting. So we our phone will not vibrate for call, means vibrate while ringing. This setting will disable in our phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you have understood how to disable vibrate for call. So bye guys.